Okay, so in this problem here, the main key is we have to get rid of this number on the bottom of the denominator here. And the technique that we utilize for that is we utilize by multiplying by the conjugate. So if I go 3 plus 2i over 2 minus root 2i times a funny looking 1, which is 2 plus 2 root I over 2 plus root 2i. The reason why I do this is because this is the difference of squares, and so it will get rid of the i's when I square them. But this value is 1, so it doesn't change what this is worth. And so now I get is equal to 3 plus, well, this is 4i minus 2 root 2 over 4 minus plus 2. I hope I did that correctly. I did stuff in my head there. So then I have minus 2 root 2 plus 4i over 6. If I simplify that a bit, I know it's going to be 3 plus minus root 2 over 3 plus 2i over 3. And now I just have to add these two numbers together. This is like 9. So then I get 9 minus root 2 over 3 plus 2i root 3. I hope that helps.